spaceship is huge. I can't wait to explore.
Let's go get some ice cream after this.
Slow down a little, sweetie.
You have to try this. It's delicious. Wow, good job, sweetie.
Wow! Look at that beautiful, sexy cat! Wow!
I saw you looking at another girl.
Oh my God! Something fell into the water!
Daddy, please let go and find Mama.
Let me go! She's gone!
My mother fell inside the ocean. Please help.
I'm sorry. I can't find her.
She's gone.
Do you want to dance with me?
Yes, let's dance. Thank you for saving me, and I will find my way from here.
I told you stop crying. Your mother is gone. There is no way she's coming back.
Your mom is gone. Stop crying and make me something to eat.
This looks amazing.
It does. Let's eat.
I'm tired of this. I will join the police and revenge my father and my stepmother.
One, 2, 4, 5.
Now that I have joined the police, I will find my mom, and I will also find my dad and his new wife and take revenge.
Let me put this poster here. I hope I will find my mom one day.
Hello? Baby?
You found me?
Yes, my baby, I found you. I'm coming now.
Yummy! This is the best. I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
I am. Can we have more? Stop the bike! Please forgive us. Let us out.
No! I will never let that happen!
Oh, my little kitten. I miss you and I must find you.
The next day.
Please help. Somebody please help me. Don't worry, I will help you.
I'm Hale! Woo!
Missed you so much.
Get your hands off me. Leave me alone.
Please like and subscribe, or the spider will visit you this night.